In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to a Trello card. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks and collaborating on projects. Sometimes, to convey an idea more effectively or to provide additional context, you'll want to attach images to your cards. Let's dive into exactly how that can be done. First, you need to open your preferred Trello board. The board is essentially your workspace where all your project cards are organized. Once your board is open, locate the specific card to which you want to add an image. Click on this card and it will expand, revealing all the details associated with it. Inside the card's interface, you'll see a menu on the right-hand side. Look for the option labeled Attachments. This is your gateway to adding not just images, but also any other files you might need to attach to your card. Click on Attachments and you'll see several options for uploading your image. Now you have multiple avenues to add your image. If your image file is stored locally on your computer, you can select the option to upload directly from there. Another method is to use Trello's convenient drag and drop feature. Simply drag your image file into the card and it will automatically upload. If your images are stored in the cloud, Trello offers seamless integration with several popular cloud services. You can upload images directly from Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, or OneDrive. This flexibility is incredibly useful for those who utilize multiple cloud storage solutions. Additionally, if you have a direct URL to an image, say from a website, you can simply paste the URL and Trello will handle the rest. Once you've selected how you want to upload your image, wait for the upload to complete. You'll see the file progress, and upon successful upload, the image will appear under the Attachments section of the card. One helpful tip to bear in mind, the first image you attach will automatically become the card's cover. This cover image helps those scrolling through cards to quickly identify the card's content or importance visually. If you prefer another image to serve as the cover, you can easily change it by clicking on the cover option as you manage your attachments, and that's it. Adding an image to a Trello card is straightforward once you're familiar with the steps. Whether you're adding visual details to a task, sharing design files, or simply making your cards more visually appealing, images can be a great way to enhance collaboration on your Trello board. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing with Trello!